What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to root Android version 2.3.7. You're going to have to go to About Phone and it'll be Android version 2.3.7. So then you're going to want to open up the Play Store and then go to Dolphin Browser. Click on that. It's starting the download. After that downloads, I will continue from there. Okay, so what the Dolphin Browser is for, it is so you can download an APK off the web, because we are doing this all from the Android phone. So then we're going to want to find Dolphin Browser right here. Drag that into the super user profile. Now you're going to want to go to the Play Store again and search Ministro. M-I-N-S-T-R-O. And it will come up Ministro 2. Okay, after you open the Dolphin browser, you'll go through a setup process, and then you're gonna want to go to Google or whatever and search Poot, P-O-O-T/debug. And then you'll find that, and then after that, okay, so now you're going to want to find which one you need. And the one you need is, that doesn't help. The one you need is the Poot Debug. It is the Poot Debug, and it's the one by RG Ghost. And then you're going to want to click on that. Then that's going to open up. And then at the top, you're going to see something right here called download. Then you're going to download that. And then you're going to see all this, and then you're just going to click OK. And you'll see at the top that it's downloading. Okay, so after Poot is done downloading, you're going to want to click on that. And then you're going to want to click Package Installer. And then you'll be prompted with a screen like this. The Poot application will come up. And then it will say storage, network, connections, and phone calls. You're just going to click install. And then you're going to click open. Poot needs extra libraries to run. Click OK. And if that doesn't come up, some of the apps you installed, then you did something wrong. This will take some time to install. Okay, so when it's done installing a bunch of stuff, it will come up and it will say a blank screen. Say press here to Poot. And you're going to want to Poot. And then where it says done pooting, you're gonna know you did it right. So then you're gonna want to go up and get super user. Okay, so then after you have super user installed, I'm actually gonna click install right here so you guys can watch it install. Doesn't take long to install. Okay, so then you're gonna wanna go to your home screen. You do not have to do this, but I do this, and you're going to want to find super user, put it in the, I just named it super user. You're going to want to open super user. Forgot to put Poot in there too, so I'm going to take that, put that in there, open super user, and then you're good. So then you're in. So you're going to want to open Poot back up. You make it a black screen, and if you do, you do not need Poot to do this. Go to the Play Store, and then and then you can download the root checker. Get the root checker. Wait for that to install. Okay, guys. So after that, you're gonna want to open root access checker or root checker. You have to click agree, okay, and then you're going to want to verify root access, and then super user is going to come up and ask you if you want to give super user access to super user request. You're going to want to click allow, and then it will say congratulations, this device has root access. So now you're officially rooted. You are all good to go. And I will show you something. From now on, you don't need the Dolphin browser, but I will show you something you do need, what the root lets you do. So say you want to Wi-Fi tether your phone, you're going to go to Wi-Fi hotspot. Actually, it's called Wi-Fi tether. And then you're going to want to get the first one for root users. Then you're going to want to install that. And then you're going to want to do font, changer, this one, the rooted one, install that. The Wi-Fi tether only works if you're on a rooted device. So I'm going to go ahead and take the apps I just installed. I just installed the Wi-Fi tether. I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to put the font installer. And this is what Super User is for. You can open up right here. You're going to want to open up Wi-Fi tether. And then you have to say close. Start tethering. And this is working with Super User. You get a Super User request. And I will bring my iPhone in. Then you're gonna want to go to your Wi-Fi settings. Right here it shows everything about the phone there is to know. Get that in the frame. Then you're gonna want to go to here. Allow. It just stopped tethering. I did that on accident, so I'm gonna wait for that to reopen. So right here, you're just gonna want to click press to start tethering. It will start tethering. My iPhone's right here. I will show you when the connection starts up. So the connection on the phone started up. It hasn't yet came up on the iPhone yet. And right here it will say Android tether. A couple networks came up when that happened, so I'm going to want to click Android tether. This is an open network, and I'm connected. You can see the kilobytes right here is going up. So say I want to log on to Facebook, you'll see the kilobytes move on this phone. I'll open the browser. And it does tell you the temperature of the phone. You can go to settings, edit some stuff. I don't really think you need to edit anything, but I'm just going to edit the degrees, battery temperature. I'm going to do Fahrenheit. So now mine is at 86 degrees Fahrenheit. This is my Facebook page. In case you guys were wondering, not that this matters, but you can join my Facebook group. I don't have a page, just a group. It's of my vlogs. It's Nolan's vlogs right there. So, yeah, this does work. This is what people really root for. So now I can just go right here, and then I can turn it off, stopping root. Now it will go away on the iPhone. Then I'm just going to connect back to my parents' network. Refresh that. I'm not sure why this one hasn't gone away. But, so yeah, that's how you root. And then if you want to go to font installer, you can just go to font installer. And then you can find a font that you like. I like... Let's pick a random one. Let's click Hero. Install. Continue. Allow. Please wait. It will reboot your phone. It may take a second. You may have to open it back up because normally it reboots your phone. Or it may just keep crashing. I don't know why it's crashing. But let's try to resolve this issue. The whole phone is crashing now. Do not know why that's happening. I did go ahead and reboot my phone, but right here, that was a slow, or actually that was a really quick boot time because I took the boot animation off of the Virgin Mobile boot animation. So now the font did set. I did reset the phone because I was telling you that it wasn't loading. So when this loads up, you don't need this, you don't need Dolphin, you don't need root check. I will show you another app that is useful for you. I don't know why this is in the Play Store. So I can go to the Play Store. Root. Root Manager. Root Manager is a good one. And there is another one that is pretty good. If you just kind of search root, there is a lot of good apps that you can get to just show you how to root and all this. Root Checker, Root App Delete, Root Uninstaller. There's a lot of apps in here you can find. You just have to do a root on your phone to delete stuff. Or to screenshot, sorry. I'm gonna do root file browser, file manager. Gonna go ahead and click install on that. And you can also go to over here, go to super user. There was an update app you can download, super user update fixer. But then you can also check the publish date, June 8, 2011, or you can go up here, June 1 to July 1, 2011. So you can go ahead and download this if you want to. I don't think you really need to install it. So after that's installed, you are good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to root the Android. This specific model is the LG Optimus Elite on Virgin Mobile's service. Right there, VM, Virgin Mobile. You can do this on any phone that has Android 2.3.7 on it. I believe that's 2.3.7. If you want to know how to go to that, you go to Settings, About Phone, Android version 2.3.7. Then it just says LG Optimus. So if you, and I am doing the Android challenge. The Android challenge will be up on the 23rd, and it is the 18th. So I'm almost done with that. So I did do the Android challenge. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, rate, and a subscribe.